Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to run another operating system on your Windows 11 PC without affecting your main system, VMware Workstation Pro is one of the best tools you can use. In this video, I will walk you through exactly how to install it on your Windows 11 PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and type VMware Workstation Pro download in the search bar. From the results, click on the official VMware website. Once the page loads, click on Download Fusion and Workstation. This will redirect you to the Broadcom support portal, since VMware downloads are now managed through Broadcom. To access the download, you will need to log in or create a Broadcom account. At the top of the page, click on the login icon and select Register. Enter a valid email address. Complete the verification process and click Next. A verification code will be sent to your email. Check your inbox, copy the code and paste it into the required field. Then click Verify and continue. Next, fill in your details such as your name, country and password. Once everything is completed, accept the terms and click Create Account. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your account has been successfully created. Now, click on the Software tab at the top. Click on Mainframe Software, then go to My Downloads. Now log in with your username and password. Go to My Downloads again. Under that section, click on Free Software Downloads available here. Scroll down and find VMware Workstation Pro, then click on it. You will see 4 options, 2 for Windows and 2 for Linux. Since we are using Windows 11, select the Windows version. Choose the latest version available. At the time of recording, the version is 17.6.4. Now make sure to click the terms and conditions. Scroll down and go back to the previous page. Check the box near the terms and conditions so that the download option becomes available. On the right hand side, click on the download button. You may be prompted for an additional verification. Just click yes and you'll be taken to a trade compliance form. Fill in your details such as your name, address, city, country and postal code. Once completed, click submit and you'll be redirected back to the download page. Click the download button again and the VMware Workstation Pro installer will start downloading. The file is around 400 megabytes, so it may take a few minutes depending on the internet speed. I have the download already, so no need to download it again. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer. The setup wizard will open. Click Next to begin. The installation process is straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions and within a few minutes, VMware Workstation Pro will be installed on your system. When the installation is complete, click Finish. Now the version I have on my PC is 17.6.1. That's why we are seeing the license button. just ignore it. You will not see it in the current versions. You can now open VMware Workstation Pro from the Start menu or by using the desktop shortcut. Now if you see this, just click on Use VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal use. And that is it. You have successfully installed VMware Workstation Pro on your Windows 11 PC. You can now start creating virtual machines and run different operating systems without affecting the main system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a helpful tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.